I'm SkyTrak meteorologist Kelly Green, and today we had a cold front that moved through earlier today. Still may see a few sprinkles here and there, but for the most part, it's going to be a cloudy, chilly, breezy day. If you're heading to the Indianapolis Motor Speedway for the Grand Prix, temperatures will be in the low 50s. It will be breezy, feeling like the low 40s. Later on tonight, mostly clear, allowing temperatures to fall into the upper 30s. Could be a record-breaking start tomorrow. The record for tomorrow, 35, set back in 1973. Tomorrow afternoon, it will be brighter, still a bit breezy and a bit warmer, with temperatures climbing into the upper 50s. So we'll stay about 15 to 20 degrees below average this weekend. Cloudy and breezy today, high of 52, down to 37 tomorrow morning, 58 on Sunday. A little bit warmer as we head through the work week. We do have rain that will be likely on Tuesday. A few thunderstorms will be likely too. Temperatures, though, will remain below average until Friday.